chocolate has been loved for centuries, and for good reason. It's creamy,
It's delicious.
and let's be honest, most of us cannot resist it. Some say it's packed with antioxidants, while others warn about sugar and fat. But here's the real question.
Does chocolate actually have health benefits?
Or is that just wishful thinking? As an integrative and holistic doctor, I always look at food not just as fuel, but as medicine. So today, let's break down the truth about chocolate, what it does to your body,
The real benefits.
The hidden dangers.
and how to enjoy it in the healthiest way possible. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanova Feza Doctor, fondly known as Mrs. Doctor Doctor. On this channel, we discuss everything related to skincare, hair care, and healthy aging. My ultimate aim is to help everyone live a nourished, happy, and healthy life for years to come. And I would love for you to join me in this journey. For today's video, the good news is,
Chocolate has more health benefits than you can imagine.
but,
Not all chocolate is created equal.
so let's dive in.
Is chocolate really made from cacao? If so, what is it?
Cacao is the pure raw form of chocolate derived from the seeds of the Theobroma cacao tree. Cacao is minimally processed and packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium. The different forms of cacao include cacao beans, cacao nibs, cacao powder, which is made by cold pressing raw cacao beans, thereby preserving more nutrients than cocoa powder.
And
Cacao butter. This is the natural fat from cacao beans used in chocolate making and skincare.
interesting. So, how is chocolate actually made?
Cacao beans are fermented and dried, often in the sun, and then roasted. Then, they are crushed to separate the bean from the outer hull and then crumbled into cacao nibs or ground into cacao powder. The nibs are frequently blended with sugar, fat, milk, and other additives to make different kinds of chocolate.
The chocolate cacao itself is highly nutritious.
Where it goes downhill is the other ingredients it is made with, or how much it is processed. Most highly processed chocolate products made by candy companies have very little.
If any cacao.
In fact, they're usually chocolate flavored.
Oh, so is chocolate healthy?
The Aztecs and Mayans believed that chocolate had significant medicinal and aphrodisiac properties, and cultures have used it medicinally for centuries.
Will you believe if I told you
That cacao has more health protecting antioxidants than most foods, including blueberries, green tea, and even acai berries.
Really?
Dark chocolate contains heart healthy, cancer preventing nutrients and is linked to protection against diabetes, mental alertness, and even weight loss. Plus, it can help protect the skin from UV damage and even stimulate the immune system. Let's be honest, most people seek out chocolate makes them feel happy due to the feel-good amino acid tryptophan, which causes you to produce serotonin, the happy chemical that some depressed people lack. Cacao also contains phenylethylamine, which is known as
the
Love
love drug?
it has been found to be associated with elevated mood and higher energy. However, with so many chocolatiers out there,
You may think that chocolate is some kind of magical food.
but the same nutrients from cacao can be found in other lower calorie foods and lower fat raw plant foods that cost almost less than $1 a pound. And even with healthy dark chocolate, it often comes with a lot of fat and sugar, and usually with quite a bit of processing that loses some health benefits.
Then, how can I know which chocolate is good, bad, or if there is one which is the best?
If you're choosing products from the store, darker the chocolate, the better the nutrients you derive. So,
Make sure you choose them wisely.
let me give you some idea about which chocolate is good for you and what are the best options. Good chocolate options include dark chocolate that is naturally sweetened. Better chocolate options include dark chocolate that is generally 80% dark or higher. Try to choose fair trade because child labor is a major problem in this industry. Choose organic, naturally sweetened chocolates or make your own using non-alkalinized, unsweetened cocoa powder.
Or cacao powder?
I'll leave my favorites in the description below. And the best chocolate options would be to make your own recipe with organic cacao nibs or cacao powder. I have a video coming up where I share my favorite chocolate recipe that is super easy to make but incredibly yummy and delicious. So make sure you have subscribed so that you don't miss out on any new video or update that gets released.
Of course. Could you explain what is cocoa and how is it different from cacao?
Yes, you have probably heard about cocoa. So
How is that different from cacao?
well, as I said before, cacao is minimally processed and more nutrient dense. However, it's not really raw because it is still fermented, dried, and crushed using heat. Sometimes it is not roasted, or if it is roasted, it is generally below 18 degrees. Whereas cocoa has been processed with much more heat and hence nutrients are destroyed. Also, sometimes producers add preservatives, emulsifiers, sugar, or other sweeteners to make cocoa nasty.
What about other chocolatey products?
Here are a few other products that you must have seen.
Let me explain those too.
Dutch processed cocoa means cocoa that has been treated with an alkaline solution to reduce its acidity and take out some of the bitterness. This process removes some of the nutrients and can even add some toxins. Cocoa butter is extracted from cocoa mass. It is basically pure cacao that is turned into a thick liquid with a hydraulic press. Many chocolate makers add extra cocoa butter to give their chocolate a more smoother, glossier texture. And finally, you must have heard about carob. It is what I jokingly like to call the
Chocolate wannabe.
that's naturally sweet and also rich in antioxidants. But it doesn't stimulate the dopamine receptors as cacao does. It also doesn't have caffeine like chocolate does, nor does it have theobromine, which makes cocoa and chocolate bitter and stimulating.
Another bonus?
It doesn't have the compound that triggers migraine in some people. Carob can actually be substituted 1:1 with cocoa or cacao. I'm not trying to sell you on it, but
It is good to know.
So, how do you get the benefits without the downsides?
here's what to look for when you are choosing chocolate.
Go dark.
Aim for 70% cacao or higher for maximum health benefits.
Aim for minimal ingredients.
The best chocolate should just have cacao, cocoa butter, and a natural sweetener. Watch the sugar. Avoid bars with high fructose corn syrup or artificial additives. And finally, consider raw cacao. Raw cacao powder or nibs retain more of the natural nutrients as compared to processed chocolate products. You can even add raw cacao to smoothies, energy balls, or hot drinks for a health boost. In fact, I have created a free Glow from Within smoothie guide where I share delicious recipes jam-packed with superfoods, fresh fruits and vegetables, herbs and spices that will nourish your body from the inside and leave you glowing from within. I'll leave the link in the description below.
Alrighty, but the main question is, how much chocolate can I actually eat?
Moderation is key. Around 1 ounce, that's roughly 30 grams, of dark chocolate a few times a week is enough to get the benefits.
And remember,
Having chocolate isn't just about physical health. When eaten mindfully, it can bring joy
reduce stress.
And even improve your mood.
thanks to the compounds that boost the production of serotonin like theobromine. So, is chocolate really healthy for you? The answer is
Yes.
if you choose the right kind. Stick to pure, high quality cacao, enjoy it in moderation, and savor the experience. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you love dark chocolate? Have you ever tried raw cacao? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your favorite way of including this amazing superfood. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for many more holistic health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay mindful and enjoy your chocolate the right way. Continue to glow, thrive and shine as always.
Take care. I'll see you soon.
I got down.